Hi guys, welcome back. This is a video today on how to make armpit fudge. So I'll give you all the ingredients and show you how to make it. As the name suggests then guys, we're going to be making armpit fudge. It's an alternative to baking. All you need is a few ingredients, a Ziploc bag and your own armpit. So the ingredients we are going to need: 50 grams of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of cream cheese, a dash of vanilla essence and 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. We will also be needing a Ziploc bag. The method then. First thing you need to do is to wash our hands and make sure we have a clean working area. Then we need to open our Ziploc bag, and to make this easier for us we're going to fold down. So we're going to take the fold down the outside like so we can get our ingredients in nice and easily. Measure out our ingredients and then we're going to add them into the bag. So here goes with our 50 grams of icing sugar, our 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of cream cheese. So the cream cheese I'm using here is just full fat normal cream cheese. What we don't want to do is get the stuff that's already got flavours and bits in it, so we don't want the garlic flavoured ones. So 2 teaspoons of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, right, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and a dash of vanilla essence. So now we've done that, we need to bring the top of the bag back up, and we want to squeeze out as much of the air as possible from this, and then make sure we've sealed our bag up nice and tight. Squeeze up that last little bit of air out, and there we go. All of our ingredients are in there. What we're going to need to do now, put the bag under our armpit, and we're going to squish and jiggle it around until all the ingredients are well mixed and it has a creamy consistency. Take a bag and we're just going to put it under our armpit. Now the reason this works is because the armpit is nice and warm. It's just about the right temperature. And we'll leave it under there. We're going to squidge it around, jiggle it about, and use our fingers if we want to. We're going to mix all of those ingredients together. Wow, we've been jiggling it around and squeezing it and making sure it's all nicely mixed, and what we're left up with is a bag full of armpit fudge. Now we can eat it as it is. We just open it up and eat it out with a spoon. You could stick it in the fridge, let it cool down a little bit, give you a bit of a more thick consistency. You can make it extra tasty. You can add in some of your own favourite flavours. So you could put raisins in there, or peanuts, peanut butter, some M&Ms. I'm going to be putting a few raisins in mine, but the mixture should be ready to eat now, so grab yourself a spoon and enjoy.